To take a scrolling or long screenshot with the screen write feature on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, go to the screen you like to capture. As the example, we will capture a long article we found on the internet. Next, remove your S Pen. On the Air Command menu, tap Screen Write to automatically take a screenshot. And then tap Scroll Capture icon to scroll down the screen, take a screenshot and state it with the previous screenshot. Next, tap Scroll Capture to continue scrolling down the screen and take another screenshot. You can repeat this step until you reach the screen you like to capture. Tap the button. If needed, you can draw or write something on the screenshot. Once done, you can directly share it to others by tapping the share icon and then select the desired share method you like to use. Or you can tap the down arrow icon or save icon to save the image to the screenshot album on your gallery. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.